Hey guys, this is Freddie, and this is part 2 of our multi-part Eggbeater kick tutorial. In the first part of the tutorial, we focused on getting the form and the movement down correctly. We paid a lot of attention to the angle of our leg, how our ankle was cocked back to create this sort of effect, to make sure that we were catching and pushing water down from here. And hopefully you had an easy time doing the jump drill up against the wall the same way I'm doing it here, with an exaggerated one at a time motion. So if you did, and you have no problem replicating that drill and you're making it look the same way that as I'm demonstrating it here, it's time for you to move on to the next portion of the tutorial. And that is to add speed and fluidity. Okay, I'm going to turn the slow motion off. I'm going to just let this play. See, I'm still doing the same drill. I'm still catching water in the same place, but I'm doing it a whole lot smoother and with a whole lot more fluidity. So let's take a look at something very significant here. I'm going to go ahead and play this. Before, where I was keeping one foot on the ground and one foot up the whole time, now look what's happening. I'm off the bottom now. I'm off the bottom completely. I've got one foot working while the other one recovers. Okay, now these are still pretty low. I am still not doing the full Eggbeater kick stroke yet. All right, I still have two legs down too low. You could see which leg is recovering and which leg is pushing water though. All right, so what I've done is I've lifted the whole exercise up off the bottom just a little bit, and I'm starting to add some fluidity to it. And that's what we're looking for in the second step of the drill. Now, I'm not giving anything up in terms of technique. I've still got this same catch working right here, where I'm pushing water down. So we're not giving up form just because we add speed. We want to have form first, and then to that we want to add speed and fluidity. So let's watch it one more time. This is the wall drill, working with more speed and fluidity. Still one at a time, but we're shortening that gap. We're spending less time on the pool floor than we did before when we were exaggerating this motion. Once you have this down, you're going to be ready to move on to part 3.